Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix microphone not working on Facebook Messenger app on Android. So if you also want to fix microphone not working on Facebook Messenger app, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So the first thing that you need to do is check if microphone is working on your overall device. If there is any problem with microphone on your device, that might be the reason that you're facing this problem. If you want to check if microphone is working on your device, what you have to do is open sound recorder. You can see over here sound recorder has been opened. Now simply tap on the record icon that you can see at the bottom center of your screen. If it records your voice, that means microphone is working. So you can proceed to other steps and your problem will be fixed. So what you have to do is open settings. You can see over here settings is opened. First of all, make sure you're not connected to any kind of Bluetooth or wireless devices. After that, what you have to do is scroll down. Here you'll be able to find the option for privacy. After you find the option for privacy, simply tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here find the option for microphone access. Make sure this button is toggled on. If this button is turned off, that might be the reason that you're facing this problem. So after you turn on this button, simply go back. Now find the option for apps. Tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the apps interface. Tap on the option See All Apps. Now you'll be able to see all the apps over here. Find the application for Messenger. Once you find Messenger application, simply tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to find the option for permissions. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here app permissions will be opened. You can see several options over here. You can see the options like camera, microphone, notifications, photos and videos. All you have to do is tap on the microphone option. Now microphone permission will be opened. Make sure first option allow only while using this app is selected. If you have selected don't allow, that might be the reason that you're facing this problem. So make sure you've allowed microphone access for Messenger. Now simply go back. Now here you'll be able to find the option for storage and cache. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to find two options, clear storage and clear cache. All you have to do is tap on the option clear cache. After that, cache of your Messenger application will be cleared and your problem should be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is try uninstalling the application and install it again. After that, your problem will be fixed. So that is how to fix microphone not working on Facebook Messenger app on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.